Hey everyone, we're back with another productivity pro tip for you. This time to help you stay in a productivity flow state. I'm about to reveal to you some Windows keyboard key wizardry. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Say you're deep into your workday. You're knocking out your task list like the tried and true professional that you are, but then it happens. There's a moment of interruption requiring you to switch gears. Maybe you've got to open Outlook to write up an email to the boss. Regardless of what or why, stopping what you're doing to open the Start menu or get to your desktop for the app icon can break your flow state. Well, allow me to introduce you to the ultimate combo key shortcuts for Microsoft 365 applications. I'm talking about the combination of Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and the Windows keys, plus L for LinkedIn, N for OneNote, O for Outlook, P for PowerPoint, T for Teams, W for Word, X for Excel, Y for Yammer, now known as Viva Engage, or simply nothing else to open the Microsoft 365 app. These aren't just shortcuts. They're literally the keys to helping you be productive when everything else is vying for your time. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.